guys, so take a turn. I'm gonna make ice cream sandwich. Yeah. So there is what is these again? Choco race. I don't know how to read.
Okay. Choco crunchies.
Cooked choco crunchies. Yeah. They're choco crunchies. You need to subscribe to this because it's really good. I tried one.
This is the ice cream.
Yeah, get some ice cream. Yeah, get some ice cream if you want. Hey! Not mango, I want chocolate. I'm gonna eat this. Not you. Hey! You're not gonna eat
You
that.
love a mango.
Yeah, I know I love mango, but not in ice cream.
Hi guys.
Ew. Don't! Don't!
Mango is coming.
No!
Choco crunches. Yes, it's coming.
Okay, time to get some last scoop
Of
of the ice cream. The last cookie.
This is mine. Only one.
Yeah, it's the only one at the
I
top.
love rainbow and vanilla.
I love chocolate and vanilla. This is nice. Yummy yum. Put it together. Oh my god, there's a pet that eats your brain. That's joking. There's no pet that eats your brain.
It's Milo.
It's like that. Okay.
Oh, nice. Milo will eat all the ice cream. And juice. Milo will drink all the juice.
Oh, yummy. Look, now I found burger. Okay.
Like and subscribe down below.
Comment down below too. Please. Go look at the
Video.
Okay. Bye.